Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a teacher sign made out of items that were brought from the Dollar Tree. You can buy this little small chalkboard from the Dollar Tree and also most of the numbers, the wooden numbers and letters. Here are the things that you will need. Gesso is a medium that's used almost like a primer before you paint an item, and it can be bought in white and clear. You also need acrylic paints and some popsicle sticks. First, I'm going to sand my piece of wood around the sign just to make sure it's smooth, and when the paint goes on, it's a smooth feeling to it. So you see me with I'm also going to get the sides as well. Second, I'm going to peel off any stickers that are on it, and I also take the rope away from the top too. I am then going to begin painting with the gesso, and you just dip your brush in and smoothly paint it on and give it a few minutes to dry. While I'm doing that, I'm painting the popsicle sticks different colors. You can choose whatever colors you want to be the pencils on the frame. So I'm painting one a blue, a green, and a yellow. In addition, I use silver paint to represent the silver piece that's at the tip of the pencil, as well as the eraser. I'm using a lighter than pink tone for the eraser. As you see, I'm clipping the sides with scissors, and this is very easy to do. It's not hard to clip them with regular scissors to a point so that they look like a pencil tip. And so I'm going to cut off, I think I bought 2 each of the popsicle sticks. Well, you get them in a pack. I took out 6. Now that I've painted them, you see me putting the paint on the tips. And on the very edge of it, I'm going to put a little bit of black to represent the lead of the pencil. I am using acrylic paints for all of the painting during this project. And then I have to wait a few minutes so that everything can dry completely, at least enough for me to handle. I also painted the border of the frame pink, and I don't show this in this video so that I can allow the time to be shorter. I know sometimes you look at these videos and sometimes you're saying, I wish they'd go to the next step because I know what they're going to do. But so I just tried to compensate for that. Okay, now that I've completely painted my pink part of the sign, I go over it with a Mod Podge, clear glossy coat of Mod Podge, being careful not to get any on the black. And there you have it. I glued on the signs the way I want it, and that was the end. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.